the main impact on me is my mental health. It really impacts your relationships, your friendships. You feel like you're hiding parts of yourself. And then treating like the wound. You're not educated on how to treat them. So you will just go to a supermarket and buy adhesive dressings in the hope that it will stop staining your white t-shirts. It makes you change the things that you wear. So I wouldn't go out and wear a vest top in public now because of the scarring and the exudate that comes out of the wounds.
Before Hydwear, I used to spend a lot of time doing dressings. I was really active when I was younger, and I used to kind of work with my hands, and I'd be on my feet a lot. So I used to have to make sure everything was in place. A person with HS has to shower, clean their wounds, and get their wound care taken care of before they can actually do anything else. So you're already off to a bit of a bad start in the morning to your day when you have a bad HS flare-up. So it sets you back. And I used to use anything and everything to manage my exudate. I'd be cutting different dressings together. I'd be putting adhesive tape from one shoulder across to the other to try and keep things in place. I would be using nets and bandages and sanitary towels sometimes just stuck into my clothes. And nothing ever really worked. It was just always very difficult to manage.
So it's literally you just put the garment on, put your dressings in, and you can go. Whereas before it would be adhesive dressings that you'd have to use, trying to mould them to your body in certain areas, and like you would get skin reactions to them. So yeah, how soft it is on the skin, how easy it is to wash.
We've had independent feedback from patients over the years saying how transformative it's been. We had a lovely email the other day from a man who brought his wife out for dinner for the first time in years because he was comfortable and confident in himself and he was wearing his Hydwear. And he said it made his night, and I'm so proud of that. We've had patients reporting that it's reduced odour, that it has dramatically reduced the pain that they experience when they're doing a dressing change. We've had the surrounding skin really improve because there's no maceration and there's no skin stripping from adhesives. And then we've had nurses contacting us and case studies coming back where there's been improvements in the wound and the surrounding skin. There was one surgical wound that was really nicely healed using Hydwear. And it's also saving the nurses a lot of time, clinical time, so that's great. But from the patient's perspective, it was designed to make living with HS more easy and better and less painful. And that's what the patients are telling us it does.